Alright, hey guys, it's Marissa.
Marissa.
I don't know why I'm doing this, but I got told that I should do the Saltine challenge. You know, the 6 crackers under a minute. Well, once the timer hits 1 minute, we'll start. Yeah, I'm gonna do it with her, my sister, my lovely sister. Oh, and we have some water for afterwards. This lovely, lovely H2O. In other words, H2O is water, in my friend Becca's words. Yeah, don't ask what she came up with. But yeah. Oh my gosh, one time. Are you
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Once it's at 50, in 1 minute, we're gonna go. And we have to do it
5 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Go.
Go. Oh my god, this is hard. Oh my god, I'm gonna fail. I'm still failing.
One more.
Damn it. Fail. There you go.
Yeah,
Fail.
that was an epic fail. I guess you have to have it like all gone out of your mouth and swallowed.
Couldn't do it. Not this time, that is.
Yeah, practice makes perfect. Dude, don't hold all the water.
Oh. Can't go there enough.
Here, YouTube. I guess she thinks she's too cool for us. In all reality, her bedroom's in the living room. But yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I failed epically. It dries up your mouth like really bad. I would do the friggin' cinnamon challenge, but I hear that kills you. It can kill you. But yeah. Comment and subscribe and like because y'all love me and I love you. So peace, love, and rock and roll. Bye.